Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Contacts while signed into the same account you use for Gmail. Once there, scan the left panel to confirm the active profile. This prevents deleting entries from the wrong account. Next, use the search box to find the number or name you want to remove. Search narrows results and saves time. Make sure you're not in a label view that hides some contacts. Now select the contact entry to reveal its details so you can take the next actionable step. Once the contact details appear, identify the phone number line you want removed and choose Edit if you plan to remove only a specific number. If you need to delete the full contact, click the three-dot menu or trash icon and confirm deletion. If batch deleting, return to the main list. Checkboxes select multiple contacts, then click Delete. Remember, deleting a contact removes all associated numbers, unless you specifically edit and save changes to individual. To finish, verify the number no longer appears in your contacts list and test Gmail Compose suggestions to ensure it's gone. If you accidentally deleted the wrong contact, open trash in Google Contacts within 30 days and restore it. This keeps data safe for a limited time. If the change doesn't propagate to your phone or other devices, force a manual sync or sign out and back into the account to refresh. Make sure sync is enabled so deletions replicate across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.